Hello everyone, this is Sajid Khote and I welcome you all to my channel Creative Tutorials with a very big heart. Dear children, today we are on question number 2 of our practice set 2.2 and the question is something like this. In the adjoining figure, line P is parallel to line Q. You can see these two red lines right now. This is line P and this is line Q, and these two lines are parallel to each other. That has been given to us, and line T and line S are transversals. You can see these two black lines. This is line T, okay, this is also a transversal, and line S in black color, this is also another transversal given to us, okay. Find the measures of angle X and angle Y using the measures of angles given in the figure. You can see that they have given us angle X somewhere over here and angle Y is somewhere here, and they are asking us to find us the measures of these angle X and angle Y with the measures given in the figure. And this angle is given to us as 40 degrees and this angle is given to us as 70 degrees. Okay. Now let me assume something. I am using black ink now. Okay, so let me say consider this angle as angle A and this angle as angle B. Okay, deliberately I have made this symbol, okay, like this, to make you understand that this is something additional which we are assuming in the equation so that our solution goes on smoothly. All right. Now, so since we have assumed these two things, let us first pen down it here. Okay. So consider, we write consider angle A and angle B as shown in the figure. Okay, you have considered angle A and angle B. Alright, now line P is parallel to line Q given. This is given. Okay, now first I am talking of line P. Alright, you can clearly see in the equation they have given us two transversals. One is T and one is S. Okay, now since first I am dealing with my angle A, okay, which we had assumed. Alright, so this A is made with the help of this transversal T. That is the reason why I am first considering my transversal T. Okay, then line T is a transversal. This is also given to us. Therefore, measure angle A, okay, is equal to 40 degrees. Correct? Now you can see that measure angle A is coming out to 40 degrees. Why? Because this angle and this angle, these two make one corresponding pair of angles right now. So we will see that reason. We will write corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay. So that means now we got measure of angle A. Okay. Once we have got measure of angle A, you will see that this is one line, okay, and this line Q is cutting this line at this point. That means this entire angle is getting divided into two angles. One is angle A and one is angle X. That means they are forming a linear pair, right? Now, measure angle X plus measure angle A is equal to 180 degrees. I just now explained it to you. So we can write angles forming linear pair. Alright. So therefore, measure angle X plus measure angle A, but measure angle A is 40 degrees. So I will write 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You can write this. If you want, you can write this as statement number 1. Okay. so that from here you brought 40, so you can write here that from statement number 1. Okay, therefore measure angle X is equal to 180 degrees. This 40 is going on that side, so it will become minus 40 degrees. Therefore measure angle X is equal to 180 minus 40 is 140 degrees. So you see, we have got our first answer. They are asking us to find measure of angle X and measure of angle Y. So of which we got measure angle X is equal to 140 degrees. That means one part of the question is tackled. Now is the time to find the value of measure angle Y. And you can see that measure angle Y is located somewhere here. And this angle is made with the help of this line P and this transversal Q. Correct? So now again we will write all these things given to us so that our results, our steps, whatever we write, they get justified. Now line P is parallel to line Q, correct? Same like this, and we will write here as given. Then now, since we are taking care of angle B now, and this is making with this transversal, so now we will talk of this transversal S. Okay, then line S is a transversal. This is also given to us, correct? Now we will write that measure angle, therefore measure angle B is equal to 70 degrees. Alright, now you see this angle which we had assumed, okay, is exactly opposite to this angle, right? So we will say that this angle is 70 degrees, and what is the reason? The reason is they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so we will write here, reason is vertically opposite angles. Alright, so that is we have got B. Now you see that now measure angle Y plus measure angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, you see the children, it's already been given to us that these two lines are parallel, correct? And this is one transversal. So remember that property, whenever we have two parallel lines and one transversal intersects it, okay, interior angles so formed are supplementary. Our third property, if you remember, I had taught you in my previous video. Okay, so we will see that these are interior angles. Okay, so reason is interior angles. Alright, so therefore measure angle Y plus measure angle B, but measure angle B we have got as 70 degrees. You can write this as statement number 2 also if you want over here. Okay, so like how we have written here that measure angle A is 40 degrees and we have given statement number 1, in the same way you can give here also, and this is statement number 2, and B we are getting as 70 degrees. 70 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees, and this 70 we are getting from statement number 2. So you can write the reason over here from statement number 2. Okay, therefore measure angle Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. This 70 is going on the right hand side, so this plus will become minus. Therefore measure angle Y is equal to 180 minus 70 is 110, so 110 degrees, and that is our second answer they asked us to find. Okay, you see we have got measure angle y as well. Okay, and once we have got both the angles, now is the time to write our final step. Therefore, measure angle x is equal to 140 degrees. Okay, measure angle y is equal to 110 degrees, and now you put the answer in one common bracket. Okay, and you write this is the final answer. Okay, dear children, so I hope that the solution was very easy and very well understood by each and everyone. Okay, on this part we had taken care of how to find the measure of angle x, and then we had started from here and we have ended up to here to get the answer of measure angle y as well. Okay, so you had seen that how useful it was for using as angle A and B. Okay, that is the reason why we had assume these two angles. Okay, because those angles after assumption okay, helped us in reaching to our properties, right? The made and properties made by two parallel lines and one transversal, of which one we used here, that is corresponding angles, right? And then we got linear pair also from last year. Then when we came down here, we got vertically opposite angles, and then here also we got interior angles. This is again our third property made by two parallel lines and one transversal. If you remember, I had told you, dear children, I had suggested you in my previous video also that those students who haven't haven't watched that video, okay, on or entire explanation of how the properties are coming forward, okay, please do go to my previous videos of this chapter, okay, and watch the video in full, so you get to know that how these properties are coming up, okay, and how we are implementing, how we are using these properties, okay, how we apply those properties in our questions. That is more important to understand. If you directly jump on these questions, it might so happen that there may be some students who will have a doubt in their mind, right, that from where all these properties are coming. Okay, so when you keep the rhythm in a continuous flow, okay, what happens is you get to know, you get to understand that how things are coming and from where they are coming. Each and everything is coming one after the other. Okay, so keep that flow intact. To keep that flow continuous, it is very important for you to watch each and every video. Then only it will help you to understand all these questions in a better way. Okay, so I hope that I have done justice with my work, and I hope that I have succeeded in putting the sum in your head. Okay, and if that is the thing, it's a good thing right now. So it's a humble request to please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, right, you get notified instantly and you don't miss any video. So that's all from my end as far as this video is concerned. Okay, I love you all, dear children. Keep smiling, keep loving, spread love everywhere. Okay, spread education, okay, everywhere. Share the links of these videos with your friends, with your colleagues, with your neighbors who are studying along with you. Okay, let everybody come up with education, all right, and let everybody reap the benefits of education. Okay, and that's how we live and prosper together. Okay, and that's a very good deed, I would say. Okay. So take care, and very soon I'll be back with my next video. Till then, bye bye.